name is Chef Erin. Welcome to the Khemisrty Kitchen. Today we'll be making homemade butter, rock candy, fizzy lemonade, potato putty, cooked slushies, and magic milk. Let's meet my assistant chefs for the day. Chef Burns. Chef Hudson. Chef Villagracia. Chef Alvarez. The first creation we'll be making today is homemade butter with Chef Alvarez.
You will only need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and a jar with a lid. First, you'll need to take off the lid to the jar. Get your whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. Pour the cup. Pour it into the jar. Get all of it. Oh, my bad. Put the lid back on and shake until it's done. When the cream is being shaken, the fat molecules get out of position and clump together. Eventually it clumps so much butter forms. This happens because the fat molecules have separated from the liquid in the cream.
The next thing we'll be making is rock candy. Hi, I'm Chef Elisa. In this creation, you will need 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, vanilla extract, cake pop sticks, and food coloring. The first thing you need to do is add 1 cup of water into your pot. Next, you will have to put 3 cups of sugar into the water. Next, you put some vanilla extract in it. About a tablespoon. Okay, now you boil it on the stove. And then you stir it until all the sugar is dissolved and it comes to a boil.
Okay, now it's boiling, you pour it into a measuring cup. Okay, so we are going to be growing the rock candy on these sticks. Now, we're going to have them in these cups, but you have to make sure that the stick isn't touching the bottom because then crystals won't grow. So, we are going to put the stick in here so that it holds the stick above the bottom of the cup. Like so. Okay, so dip the stick into the solution. Okay. Dip it into the sugar cup so that the crystals have something to cling on to. Keep it here to dry. Okay,
Okay, so now we have to add the color to the rock candy. So in this one we're going to use red, and in this one we're going to use blue. Okay, so now we put the sugar solution into the cup. Okay, now you have to wait at least 2 days for the crystals to form.
A super saturated solution is made once you heat the saturated sugar solution. This super saturated solution is unstable, which is a solute. The liquid formed solution then goes into a precipitation process. Then evaporation takes place, which turns the solution more saturated, which forms the sugar molecules.
And the Khemisrty Kitchen is provided by Kaboom.
Hi, Billy Mays here. You need Kaboom.
Kaboom OxiClean Stain Fighter contains sodium percarbonate, which is a great detergent and bleaching agent. Just spray Kaboom on. Wait a little bit. Now it's ready to be wiped. If you call today at 1-800-NOT-A-REAL-NUMBER, the first 500 will receive a free OxiClean Stain Fighter. It's great for removing coffee. Oh man! Wine. Oh no! Grass. And blood.
be making Coke slushies with Chef.
First, you take your Coke and place it into your freezer for 2 to 3 hours.
2 hours later.
Take out your Coke slowly without shaking it. Then take off the lid and put it back on and turn it upside down. And you have a Coke slushie. When you leave the soda in the freezer for a couple of hours, you are super cooling it, which is putting the soda below its normal freezing point. Since the Coke contains other ingredients known as impurities, they dissolve in the water and doesn't provide nucleotron points.
Now we're going to be making magic milk. You're going to pour milk in a bowl, get your food coloring. Then you get a Q-tip, dip it in dish soap, and then voila. Oh, that is awesome.
The soap lowers the surface tension of the milk, so now the food coloring flows freely in the milk.
My name is Chef Villagrasa and I will be making fizzy lemonade. You will need 1 cup of cold water, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a cup of lemon juice. First, I will combine 4 teaspoons. Then I will add 1 cup of water. Then I will add 1 cup of lemon juice. The carbon dioxide forms within the liquid, which causes an acid-base reaction. Then the bubbles form, which is called carbonation.
And stay tuned for this commercial.
Whenever you get a scar, you can always count to remove them. It contains 3 antibiotics: dasotracin, neomycin, sulfate, and polymyxin D. These antibiotics penetrate the scar and remove them over time. Call today at 1-800-SCARS and get yours for $9.99 plus shipping and handling. Call now.
Now we'll be making potato putty. First, take your pre-chopped potatoes, then put it in the food processor, fill it, and chop. We're gonna fill it with water. That wasn't even cool. And wait for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna strain the potatoes. Now this is what it looks like after you strain it. And now you have to wait 10 minutes for the first separation to happen. Okay, now you can see the separation. And now you just pour out the stuff that's on the top. And you can see the white stuff that's left at the bottom. And then you add water to it. Okay, so now you can see the second separation that happened. Now you dump it out. See what's left. And you take it out with a spoon.
When you hold the pudding and squeeze it, it causes the long molecules to line up. Then once you stop moving it around, the molecules relax and return to a liquid-like state.
Let's check on the butter.
Ooh.
Yay! Taste it.
Okay, I tasted it like 5 times already.
Taste it for the camera.